Today I'm going to show you how to use Zendesk's API. It's quick and easy, so stick close. So the first thing we want to do is jump into Zendesk. We are right here in our homepage. On the top right, there is an icon, looks like 4 squares. You're going to go down all the way to the bottom and look for Admin Center. So this is your administration center, and essentially this is where you can manage everything about your account. So the first thing we want to do, on the left, you'll see apps and integrations. We're going to open up that, and underneath APIs, you'll see Conversations API and Zendesk API. Let us go ahead. We're going to open up Zendesk API. And right over here, if this is not your first time in here, this is what it'll look like. But on your first time, you'll just have to agree to their terms of service. You're going to go ahead under settings, and it says token access. It is recommended that you use API tokens to keep agents' passwords safe. You got to just go over to the right hand side, and as you can see, it says add API token. You can't click on that, so you're going to have to just enable it. And it does say that you currently don't have any API tokens. Let's just click add API token. Of course, we are going to see over here you have the token description. And then it says make sure to copy and store this token. We won't show it again after you click save or leave this page. So this is the token right over here. Of course, you can't edit the token. You can click on copy right over here. And once you've clicked on copy, you'll see at the top it says success, copied. You can save, and then you can go ahead and you can say close. Now, obviously, I have a slight bit of an internet issue here, but this will now save, and you can use this API to embed on any type of website, and you can then use Zendesk from one remote place.